Hey everyone, hope you're doing good. In the last video, we saw that after rigging, our character's movements had some issues. For example, the character's foot shouldn't move like this, or the hand shouldn't move in this direction. To fix these, we need to apply movement constraints. To fix this issue, we use the Select Bone tool to select the bone we want. Then in the Bone Constraints section, we enable the Angle Constraints option. You can see that it's limited from -70 to +70 degrees. To prevent the character's foot from bending forward, I set the right angle constraint to 0. Now I select the Manipulate tool and test it. As you can see, the foot no longer bends forward, which is correct. Now I do the same for the other foot, but this time I need to set the left angle constraint, which is the negative axis, closer to 0. As you can see, this foot's movement issue is also fixed, and now it only bends inward, which is correct. I repeat the same process for the arms and wrists. Pay attention to the elbows, they shouldn't bend backward, but the wrist has a bit of movement range for bending backward, so we don't set its constraint to 0 completely. Alright, now you can see that the arm movement is fixed too. Now we need to adjust the neck movement because naturally the neck doesn't have such a wide range of motion. I set the neck's movement limit from -25 to +25, which is a good range. Now I test it and it looks just right. For the character's head, I set the movement range from -45 to +45, which is a suitable range for the head. I test it, and now you can see that the movement issues with the character are completely fixed. In advanced rigs, the rigging is definitely different, but to start and better understand, we need to go step by step. Otherwise, it will be hard to follow the tutorial. In the next video, we'll find the unnecessary bones and remove them because they create issues for smoother character movement, which needs to be fixed, and allow some bones to affect each other. So turn on notifications and like this video so you don't miss the next ones.